Hey crew, today's video will be fried pork chops, and we're gonna make some fried pork chop sandwiches. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have some regular cut pork chops here, some thin cut ones. We have garlic, onion powder, black pepper, 1 egg, salt, and hot sauce. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and set post notifications to all. Let's get into this video. Alright crew, so I have the pork chops here that I washed and I patted dry, and we're just gonna season them. We're gonna keep it real simple. So I'm gonna go in with some onion powder, with some garlic powder, we're gonna go in with some black pepper, next we're gonna go in with some salt. And I did season both sides of the pork chops with the same seasoning. And our brother Cooking and Vibing with T inspired this video, and here's a short clip from his video of his pork chops and collard greens, so go check that out. And here's a close-up of our pork chops that I seasoned with salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. I will be rolling out some of the holiday videos after this video. For the binder, I went in with 1 egg and 1/4 cup of hot sauce. Here I am just beating the egg and the hot sauce together real well. And also in the comment section, let us know how you've been doing and what you've been up to and what y'all plan on cooking for this Christmas. And here I'm just massaging the pork chops into our binder. Then after that, I'm gonna pour some flour in a separate pan, and I'm gonna go in with the same seasonings that I went in on the pork chops: salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder for our seasoned flour. Here's that famous close-up of our pork chops. And as you see, they are seasoned really well, and the binder stuck to our pork chops really well also. Alright crew, so we're just gonna place our pork chops in the flour, and we're gonna flour them really well and make sure that the flour sticks to them. And I fried these at 350 degrees, and you want to fry your pork chops between 4 to 5 minutes depending on the thickness. If they're 1/2 inch thick, you want to go 2 to 3 minutes per side. 1 inch thick, 4 to 5 minutes per side. And it also depends on how crispy you want them. I fried these for 6 minutes per side at 350 degrees, and they came out perfect. I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up. I'm going to show y'all what they look like. Then I'm going to drop them back in the grease for another 2 minutes, and then they'll be ready to pull out the fryer. Okay, so our 2 minutes up, and I'm gonna pull them up, and y'all can see that they was really tender when I stick the fork in there to pull it out. And when I tell y'all the flavors was on point, you could taste the hot sauce, but it wasn't overpowering. It was just enough of hot sauce and seasonings to let you know that, hey, you really did your thing on these pork chops. And here's the final look and close-up of our fried pork chops. I also fried the thin ones, but I didn't put those in there just to cut down on the time of the video. So I truly hope y'all enjoyed this video. This will be our fried pork chop video, and we're gonna make some fried pork chop sandwiches. Alright crew, for the sandwich I just used mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. That's all I put on the sandwich, and then I placed the pork chop on the bread. Alright, so I'm going to give y'all a close-up of the fried pork chop sandwich. It was really good and tender. And here's that close-up of the pork chop sandwich. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Pops out. Peace.